Listen to these positive affirmations for self-esteem at bedtime. They are designed to rewire and strengthen your beliefs as you drift off to sleep. Let these powerful statements permeate your subconscious as they reinforce a mindset of your innate worth, value, and optimism. You'll wake up feeling renewed, overflowing with love and respect for yourself. This is Positive Movement, and my name is Georgina. This is the place for you to learn how to think differently so that you can live differently. You are welcome to repeat these affirmations back to yourself, or just absorb them as you allow yourself to drift off to sleep. As you stretch your body, take a deep breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. And as you exhale through the mouth, release every single muscle. Your fingers, toes, tongue, eyes, neck, jaw, eyebrows. Along with all the to-dos, could-haves or should-haves. Gently blow them all away, along with any other concerns or feeling of lack. Right now, you are 100% safe, held, and open to receive the magic of these words. Get yourself comfortable, and let's begin. It feels good to rest. I am at ease. I deserve peace. I am and always will be enough. I recognize my unique value. I am amazing. I follow my truth. I am incredible. I live a great life. I am full of love. It radiates from me. I fall more in love with who I am each day. I have powerful energy flowing through me. I am full of potential. I believe in myself. I am thankful. I have everything I need. I am worthy exactly as I am. I am whole. I am valuable. I confidently walk my own path. I consciously create my life. I release all that no longer serves me. I give myself unconditional love. I treat myself with respect and honor. I speak to myself with compassion. My life is rewarding and filled with joy. The good I see in the world exists in me. I accept and embrace myself for who I am. I tap into my potential daily. I acknowledge my innate value. I make a difference in the world. My words have value. My inner strength is invincible. I am capable of handling anything that comes my way. I am worthy of anything I desire. I trust myself. I seize each moment. My life is exactly what I make it. I love myself. I am connected to my power. I can create anything. I am guided. I am connected to limitless opportunity. I have everything I need and always will. I live in alignment. I am blessed. I express myself. I live authentically. I have unlimited power. I give myself permission to flourish. Life is good and getting better. Now is the time I live fully. Allow these words to soak in and meet your very essence. These statements are whole, true, and unconditional. Good night. Sleep well.